Hello, Group 4. This is Mrs. Nelson, and I am going to ask that you get a paper and a pencil. Stop the video at any time that you are writing or getting your supplies. So, pause the video, make sure you have a pencil, and you have a piece of paper to write on, piece of notebook paper. Alright, we are going to start out with just the new things. Everything else because you're in grade level, you should be able to do factoring, a number, being able to find the area and perimeter of a perfect square, and be able to find the multiple of a number, any given number. So yeah, all I'm doing now is doing the multiplication of an open array using a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So let's get started on this. Draw your rectangle for me, please. Okay, and you have a rectangle. We are going to label the dimensions of 9, and then we're going to do 2,463, and those are our dimensions. Okay, first we're going to start off with finding the area of this guy. So we're going to look for area, and we're going to find out what that is. So to do that, we need to write a multiplication problem. So our multiplication problem will be 9 times 2,463, because that is our multiplication problem. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to break up our open array, and I want you to do this because it is a method. So you're going to chunk this out. So you have one number, you have one chunk for 2,000. One chunk for 400, because this is, okay, and then one chunk for 60, and one chunk for 3. Okay, so then write your 2,460 and 3. You're going to do that. Okay, and then you're going to multiply all of that times 9, and then I'm going to put that there. So I'm going to 9 times 2,000, 9 times 400, 9 times 60, and 9 times 3. So those are your expressions. You need to put those. Now you need to put those. I'm going to change my color of ink down below here. So I'm going to distribute the 9 across the factors. Distribute it. So I have 9 times 2,000, and I have 9 times 400, and I have 9 times 60, and 9 times 3. Now, what you're going to do here is very important. You need to make sure that you are adding all of these up using the standard algorithm. Some of you are trying to add them vertically, which is write your numbers side to side, stack them on top of each other like you were trained like good 4th graders. Okay, so I know that 9 times 2 is 18, and then you're going to add 3 zeros behind it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36, and we're going to add 2 zeros behind the number. 1, 2, and then 36. Okay, 9 times 6 is 54 plus 1 0, and then that's 54. And 9 times 3 is 27, so 27. So we're going to add all of those up. And make sure that you stack these vertically. Alright, so Aubrielle, you're one that I'm going to call you out. You need to stack these vertically. If you're not doing that, you're wrong. So we're adding these guys, then we'll add these guys, then we'll add these guys, and this guy. Alright, so let's get that going. We have 0 plus 7, 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. We have 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 6 groups of 10. We have 6 groups of 100 plus 5 groups of 100 is 11 groups of 100. Carry it. We have 8 groups, 9. So we have 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, plus one more is 12. So you have 12, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1, or one group of 10,000 plus one group of 10,000 is two groups of 10,000. And our answer for the area is 22,167. That's the area. Great. Now, perimeter. I'm going to call you out again, Aubrielle. You need to make sure that you are adding all of the sides. So I'm just writing those there. They will disappear. So you're going to take 2,463 and add that to 2,463. Because remember, you wrote those right there. Here's your 2,463 and your 9. So you're going to add your 9, and then you have your 9. So you have 9 plus 9. So stack them vertically, not side to side. Okay, and then you're going to add them vertically again. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 more is 9. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we have 9 plus 9 is 18. And I'm going to squinch this in here, just squash it in here. So I'm going to add this guy plus this guy together, stack them vertically. So you're going to have 4,926 plus the 18. Okay, and then you're going to add them vertically again. Okay, adding vertically. So you're going to add 6 plus 8 more is going to be 14, so you carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 more is 4. And then 9 plus nothing is 9, and 4 plus nothing is 4. So our perimeter will be 4,944. So our area is this guy. Our perimeter is this guy. All right, so that should be everything. Grab your independent work, get going on your independent work, and if you have questions or concerns, please come see me. I will see you on the next video.